Good morning to all of you. So, in our previous classes, we studied for a quadratic equation solving. We have three methods there. One is factorization method, another one is completing square root method, and the third one is principal method. So, if we observe the principal method, so for the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, by that principal method x equal to, now we can write minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now here if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, what happened? Under root negative number there, so negative numbers to square root is not there. If it is equal to 0, then the answer is just minus b by 2a. If it is greater than 0, then it has a square number. That means the total answer for finding the roots of a quadratic equation is depending on b square minus 4ac. So that purpose, this b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Is called as discriminant. So now if we observe that discriminant is has three types, that is three cases there. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0, otherwise b square minus 4ac equal to 0, otherwise b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are distinct and real. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary roots. Then the roots are imaginary. Now if these ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Already we said quadratic equation, quadratic polynomials both are same only, just equal to 0 is the difference. So if the quadratic polynomial x square plus bx plus c, to draw the graph, so it is a quadratic purpose, we get parabola. So parabola to, if it is greater than 0, then how it is? B square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the graph may be either in this form, otherwise this form, otherwise this form. In these three, any one of the condition is satisfied. Why? Because b square minus 4ac discriminant is greater than 0 means it has two zeros there. So the x-axis to touched at 2 points, that x-axis to touched in 2 points, so it has two zeros. If the discriminant b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then the graph is so b square minus 4ac equal to 0 means it has only single root. That purpose the x-axis to graph touched at 1 point. So it has only one root. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the graph is So here the graph not touched the x-axis, that means it has no zeros, that is only we said it has imaginary roots, so it has no roots. Okay, so by the discriminant now we can say about the roots are how they are like and how are their graphs. Here given, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If real roots exist, find them. So here finding the nature of the quadratic equations means here nothing but we want to find discriminant. If discriminant is greater than 0, otherwise equal to 0, then the roots are exist, then we have to find them. If it is less than 0, then the roots are not exist, so in that case we have to leave. So here given the problem, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0 is an quadratic equation. For that quadratic equation, if we compare with the general form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, here a is nothing but 2 and b equal to minus 3 and c is 5. A means nothing but x square coefficient, b is nothing but x coefficient and c is constant term. So now first we finding b square minus 4ac, that means minus 3 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into 2 into 5, 3 square is equal to 9, minus 3 whole square means minus square is also plus. Next 4 2 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40, that means minus 40. So 9 minus 40, that is nothing but minus 31. Minus 31 is a negative number, that means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Less than 0 means the quadratic equation has only imaginary roots, therefore it has imaginary roots. So that imaginary roots we have not a chance to find. Here given another quadratic equation, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Now comparing with the general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then a equal to x square coefficient, that is 3, b equal to x coefficient, that is minus 4 root 3, c equal to constant term, that equal to 4. Now finding the nature of the roots, so we have to find b square minus 4ac. Now b square minus 4ac equal to minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into a equal to 3, c equal to 4. So minus 4 root 3 whole square, minus square means that is plus, 4 root 3 whole square means 4 square into root 3 square, 4 square equal to 16, root 3 square means 3, so 16 into 3 is nothing but 48, minus 4 3 ja 12, 12 4 ja 48, 48 minus 48 is nothing but 0, so b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. So now the roots are exist, then we have to find the roots. So the general form for finding the roots of the quadratic equation, the principle is minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b, b is minus 4 root 3, so minus of minus 4 root 3 plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac value already here we get 0 by 2a, 2 into a value is 3. So minus of minus 4 root 3 is nothing but 4 root 3 plus or minus root 0 is nothing but 0 by 2 3 just 6. Now 0 to any number add or subtract, we get that number only, that means 4 root 3 by 6. Now both will be 4 and 6 will be go in 2 table. So 2 2s, 2 3s. So x equal to 2 root 3 by 3. So the x value, that means root of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0 is 2 root 3 by 3. Now here we have a chance to again simplification. Why? How? Because 3 can be written as the denominator will be root 3 into root 3. So 2 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3. So root 3 gets cancelled. That means that equal to 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 is the root of quadratic equation 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Next here given another problem, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. That one to nature. First find if the roots are exist, then find the roots that is given. Now comparing with the general form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now here a equal to, that is x square coefficient, that equal to 2, b equal to x coefficient, that is minus 6, the c equal to constant term, that is 3 given. Now finding the discriminant value b square minus 4ac equal to b equal to minus 6. So minus 6 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into a equal to 2 and c equal to 3, minus 6 whole square equal to 36 minus 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. So b square minus 4ac value is 36 minus 24 equal to 12. Now 12 is greater than 0. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Then the roots are, that means the zeros are real and distinct. Then we have a chance to find the roots. So the roots are x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. In that principle, if we substitute, the b value is given as minus 6. So minus of minus 6 plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac value already here we find, that is nothing but 12 by 2a. 2 into a equal to 2 given. So minus of minus 6 is nothing but plus 6 plus or minus root 12. Root 12 means we can write this one as 4 into 3. So root ab equal to root a into root b. That means root 4 into root 3. Root 4 is nothing but 2. So 2 root 3 by 2 2 ja 4. Now here 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So 2 root 3 means 2 into root 3. That means here 2 is the common factor. So that 2 common taken. Now we can write 2 into 3 plus or minus root 3 by 4. So 2 ones, 2 twos. So that means 3 plus or minus root 3 by 2. So the zeros of this quadratic equation are 3 plus root 3 by 2, 3 minus root 3 by 2. Okay, so 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Quadratic equation has the roots, the zeros are 3 plus root 3 by 2, 3 minus root 3 by 2. Here given the another quadratic equation is 2x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Now it will be compared with the general form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to 2, x square coefficient, b equal to x coefficient, that is minus 5, and c equal to constant term, that is 6. Now we find the discriminant for finding the nature of the roots, that is b square minus 4ac. So here b equal to minus 5. So minus 5 whole square minus 4ac. So 4 into a equal to 2 and c equal to 6. So minus 5 whole square equal to 25 minus 4 2 ja 8, 8 4 6 ja 48. So 25 minus 48, that is nothing but minus 23. So minus 23 is a negative term. So b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Now it has imaginary roots or imaginary zeros. So we can't find the zeros of the quadratic equation for 2x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Now for the quadratic equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equal to 0 has roots, then we have to find. So comparing with the general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, here a equal to x square coefficient that equal to 3 and b equal to x coefficient that is minus 2 and c equal to constant term that is 1 by 3. Now find the nature of the roots, that is b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac that equal to b equal to minus 2 whole square minus 4ac. 4 into a equal to 3 and c equal to 1 by 3. So minus 2 whole square equal to 4 and 4 3 is 12. 12 into 1 by 3 is nothing but 4 only. 3 gets cancelled, that equal to 4. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. That means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So now this quadratic equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 has roots real and equal. Has roots, that means zeros are real. It has roots real and equal. Now with the principle, if we find x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, that equal to minus b minus of minus 2 plus or minus root b square minus 4ac value is 0k and by 2a, a equal to 3. So 2 into 3, minus of minus 2 is nothing but 2 plus or minus root 0 means 0 by 2 3 is 6. 2 plus or minus 0. So 2 to 0 add or subtract, that number only coming, that is nothing but 2. 2 by 6. 2 by 6 means 2 ones, 2 threes. Therefore, the root of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equal to 0 is 1 by 3. Now the given quadratic equation is 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. This one to find the nature. If roots are exist, then find the roots also. So here comparing with the general form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 quadratic equation to a is x square coefficient that equal to 2, b equal to x coefficient that is minus 4, c equal to constant term that equal to 3. Now finding the discriminant value b square minus 4ac that equal to minus 4 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into a equal to 2 and c equal to 3. So minus 4 whole square equal to 16 minus 4ac, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 24. So 16 minus 24 is nothing but minus 8. So b square minus 4ac is less than 0. That means that quadratic equation has roots, the zeros are imaginary. So the quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0 has imaginary roots. Now here given the quadratic equation x square minus 8x plus 16 equal to 0, this to nature first finding. If roots are exist, then find the roots. So comparing with the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then a is x square coefficient that is nothing but 1. b equal to x coefficient, that is nothing but minus 8, c equal to constant term, that equal to 16. Now finding the nature of the roots, we want to find the discriminant value, that is b square minus 4ac. Here b equal to minus 8 whole square minus 4ac. So 4 into a equal to 1, c equal to 16, minus 8 whole square equal to 64, minus 4 into 1 equal to minus 4, minus 4 into minus plus 16 equal to minus 64. Now 64 minus 64 is equal to 0. That means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then it has roots are real and equal. So it has real and equal roots. Now finding the roots, then x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now here b is given as minus 8. So minus of minus 8 plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac value, already here we get as 0 by 2a. 2 into a equal to 1. So 2 1 ja is 2. Minus of minus 8 is nothing but 8, plus or minus root 0 means 0. So 0 is adding to any number or subtract from any number, we get that one only. That means 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is nothing but 2 ones, 2 fours. So that equal to 4. So the x value is 4. So 4 is the root of the quadratic equation x square minus 8x plus 16 equal to 0. Okay. Now here the given another problem, quadratic equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0 to nature of the roots find. If roots are exist, then find the zeros. That one asked. So here comparing with the quadratic equation, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to x square coefficient equal to 3, b equal to x coefficient that equal to minus 5, and constant term c equal to 2. Now finding the discriminant value, then only we find the nature of the roots, that is b square minus 4ac, b equal to minus 5 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into 3 into 2, minus 5 whole square equal to 25, minus 4ac, 4 3 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 25 minus 24 is equal to 1. 1 is greater than 0. That means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then it has real and distinct roots. Now by the principle finding the roots of the quadratic equation. So the principle is x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now here b equal to minus 5. So minus of minus 5 plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac value is 1. So by 2 into a is nothing but 3. So minus of minus 5 is 5. Plus or minus root 1 value is 1. 2 3 ja 6. So plus or minus 1 means one time we want to take plus 1, one time minus 1. That means 5 plus 1 by 6 and 5 minus 1 by 6. If 5 plus 1 by 6 means 5 plus 1 equal to 6. 6 by 6 is nothing but 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 by 6. So 2 2's, 2 3's. So here the zeros, the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0 has 1 and 2 by 3. Here given the another problem is find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. So here the nature of the roots are two equal roots given. Two equal roots when happened if the discriminant is equal to 0, that means b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then we have to find the value of k. For the problem 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Now we compare this quadratic equation with the general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to 2 and b equal to k and c equal to 3. So now we finding b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Why? Because the roots are equal, they said. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0 to substituting. Now b equal to k. So k square minus 4ac, 4 into a equal to 2 and c equal to 3 equal to 0. So k square minus 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24 equal to 0. Now this minus 24 is transferring to that side, that is plus 24. So 0 plus 24 equal to 24. Now k equal to under root 24. Now 24 can be written as 4 into 6. Now root AB means root A into root B. That means root 4 into root 6. That is nothing but 2 into root 6. That means plus or minus 2 root 6. Therefore the k value is plus or minus 2 root 6. That means plus 2 root 6 minus 2 root 6 both were happened. Then we get the discriminant value b square minus 4ac is less than equal to 0. Here given the another quadratic equation kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Here k value is not equal to 0 given. Why? Because if k equal to 0 then it is not a quadratic equation, it is a linear equation. That purpose k value is not equal to 0. Now here kx into x minus 2 given. So now if we product doing kx into x is kx square, kx into minus 2 is minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. It is the quadratic equation. Now this quadratic equation has two equal roots. That means b square minus 4ac discriminant is 0. For that finding that purpose, now first comparing with the general form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a is x square coefficient that equal to k, b equal to x coefficient that is minus 2k and c equal to constant term that equal to 6. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now here b equal to minus 2. So minus 2k whole square minus 4ac, 4 into a equal to k and c equal to 6 equal to 0. Minus 2k whole square equal to 4k square minus 4k into 6, that is nothing but 4 into k into 6 is 24k equal to 0. Now 4k square means we can write 4k into k. 24k means we can write 4k into 6. Now in this both 4k is the common one. So that 4k common taken means k minus 6 equal to 0. Now here 4k into k minus 6 equal to 0, then either 4k equal to 0, otherwise k minus 6 equal to 0. If k minus 6 equal to 0, then k equal to 6. If 4k equal to 0, then k equal to 0 by 4, that is nothing but 0. Here k values are 0 and 6k. But already we said k value is not equal to 0. Therefore k value must be equal to 6 only. Then only the quadratic equation is present. Then it has two equal roots. Okay. Now the given another quadratic equation is 4x square plus 5kx plus 25 equal to 0. Now it has two equal roots. Find the value of k. Now comparing this quadratic equation with the general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, to a equal to x square coefficient equal to 4, b equal to x coefficient that is 5k and c equal to constant term that is 25. Now the discriminant value b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Why? Because the roots are equal. That purpose. Now b equal to 5k. So 5k whole square minus 4ac, 4 into a equal to 4 and c equal to 25 equal to 0. 5k whole square equal to 25k square minus 4 4 ja 16 into 25 equal to 0. Now this minus 16 into 25 transfer to that side, that is plus 16 into 25. So 0 plus 16 into 25 is nothing but 16 into 25. Now this multiplication 25 transfer to that side, that is division. So k square equal to 16 into 25 by 25. So 25 gets cancelled. That means k square equal to 16. K square equal to 16 means k equal to under root 16. Under root 16 is nothing but plus or minus 4. So if we taken the k value as plus 4 or minus 4, then the quadratic equation 4x square plus 5kx plus 25 has two equal roots. Okay. Now here given the another quadratic equation 9x square plus kx plus 1 equal to 0, to find the value of the k. The roots are equal roots given. So now comparing with the quadratic equation general formula, a equal to ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then a equal to x square coefficient equal to 9, b equal to x coefficient that is k, and c equal to constant term that equal to 1. Now here roots are equal given, that means the discriminant b square minus 4ac equal to 0, b equal to k. So k square minus 4 into a equal to 9 and c equal to 1 equal to 0. So k square minus 4 9 ja 36, 36 into 1 equal to 36 equal to 0. K square minus 36 equal to 0. Now this minus 36 transferring to LHS, that is RHS, that is plus 36. 0 plus 36 is nothing but 36 only. So k square equal to 36, then k equal to under root 36. Under root 36 is nothing but plus or minus 6. So the k value is plus or minus 6. Then the quadratic equation 9x square plus kx plus 1 equal to 0 has two equal roots when k equal to plus or minus 6.